Welcome to my channel. Today we learn A to Z Native American animals. A is for antelope. Antelope. B is for bison. Bison. C is for cougar. Cougar. D is for deer. Deer. E is for elk. Elk. F is for fox. Fox. G is for grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. H is for hummingbird. Hummingbird. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jackrabbit. Jackrabbit. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lynx. Lynx. M is for moose. Moose. N is for North American beaver. North American beaver. O is for opossum. Opossum. P is for pronghorn antelope. Pronghorn antelope. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for raccoon. Raccoon. S is for squirrel. Squirrel. T is for Timberwolf. Timberwolf. U is for Upland Sandpiper. Upland Sandpiper. V is for Vulture. Vulture. W is for Wolf. Wolf. X is for Xerox tortoise. Xerox tortoise. Y is for yellowtail. Yellowtail. Z is for zebra. Zebra.